Take a look here, we've got some FJ40 left and right hand axles, LJ70s, HZJ79s, again, FJ40, FJ60, got you covered. Land Cruiser rear axles, so the 8mm splines, these are for 100 series, 105s, 80 series, got you covered there. Couple of 10mm kits ready to go on the shelf. Now again, if you have an FJ80, we've got the CV ends, the outers, these are the Burfield joints, CV outers for FJ80, plenty of those in stock. Now we do get asked quite a lot for 8-inch Toyota gear sets, 373, 411, 430, 456, 488s and 529s in stock for the very popular 8-inch rear for Hiluxes or the front of Land Cruisers. Got those covered there. Then we also have Land Cruiser fronts here, 8-inch fronts, 529, 488. If you're chasing a 4.1 kit for your FJ80, we have those in stock, front and rear package. This is all the bearings, seals, shims, solid spacers, everything you need to do a front and rear gear on your FJ80 on the shelf. Now the FJ Cruiser kits also do a number of Prados, Hiluxes and FJ Cruisers. So check with us on availability. We've got plenty of these in stock, 456 kits ready to go. Quite a few of those. Now you'll notice the numbers at the end, they're different variants. We've got 456-1, 456-4, so check with us for stock. 488s ready to go. Calling all 100 series Land Cruiser owners, we've got 4.3s in stock, full gear packages, 488s, 4.3s for the 105. Great upgrade for your 105 series. Land Cruiser 200 owners, we've got 4.3s in stock ready to go.